Has the brake warning light unexpectedly illuminated on your dashboard? That glaring red or amber symbol can trigger a sense of panic, particularly when you're uncertain about its meaning. While it doesn't always indicate a dire emergency, it's crucial not to disregard it. Let's delve into the most frequent reasons behind this alert, explore the potential costs for repairs, and discuss whether it's safe to keep driving. Today, we aim to unravel the mystery of that intimidating brake warning light. It's an issue you should always take seriously, but rest assured, the cause isn't necessarily catastrophic. In this video, we'll thoroughly examine the 5 most common reasons why this light might shine brightly, ranging from straightforward fixes to significantly severe concerns. Before we jump in, be sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any valuable car maintenance tips. Now, let's take a closer look at these potential culprits, starting from the simplest issues and escalating to the more critical ones. What is a brake system warning light? The brake system warning light on your vehicle's dashboard is a crucial indicator of your braking system's health. It typically manifests as a striking red or amber circle, often featuring an exclamation point at its center. In some designs, it may be encircled or accompanied by the word brake. It's important to note that this warning light is distinct from the ABS, anti-lock braking system, light, which is characterized by the letters ABS when illuminated. Depending on the make, model, and year of your vehicle, you may encounter various designs of these lights. In more modern vehicles, the dashboard may showcase a sophisticated digital display, providing detailed information about the specific braking issue rather than a simple lit warning. When this warning light illuminates, it serves as a critical alert that something within your brake system requires immediate attention. The underlying issue could range from a minor maintenance concern, such as low brake fluid, to more severe safety threats, including worn-out brake pads or complications within the hydraulic system. Therefore, it is essential to respond promptly and have your braking system inspected whenever this light appears. Common causes of brake warning light activation. Number 1. Engaged parking brake. It's always wise to start with the basics when it comes to driving. Although it might seem like a simple concept, many drivers have unwittingly set off on their journeys with the parking brake still engaged. In most vehicles, a brake warning light will illuminate if you begin to move while the parking brake is partially or fully applied. This issue is particularly common in cars equipped with either a foot-operated or a hand lever, ratchet-style parking brake. In the heat of the moment, you might think you've released it completely, but it's entirely possible that it remains only partially disengaged. Even if the vehicle doesn't seem to be affected during your drive, the sensor is still actively detecting that the brake is engaged, subsequently triggering the warning light on your dashboard. It's crucial to take a moment to verify that your parking brake is entirely released before you hit the road. For vehicles with a hand lever, make sure to pull it firmly all the way down until you hear or feel the mechanism disengage. If your car features a foot pedal parking brake, give it another press to confirm that it is fully released and not in any state of engagement. Number 2. Insufficient brake fluid level. One of the most common culprits for the illumination of the brake warning light is a low brake fluid level. Your vehicle's braking system relies heavily on hydraulic fluid, which serves as the vital medium for transferring the force exerted by your foot on the brake pedal to the brake calipers or drums that effectively bring your wheels to a halt. When this fluid level falls below an acceptable threshold, the warning light engages, signaling a potentially serious issue. To personally assess this, you'll need to locate the brake fluid reservoir beneath the hood of your vehicle. It's usually a small, translucent plastic container positioned towards the rear of the engine bay on the driver's side. The reservoir is marked with clear indicators, labeled minimum, M-I-N, and maximum, MAX, to help you gauge the fluid level. If you observe that the fluid has dipped below the minimum mark, it's likely the reason for the warning light's unexpected activation, indicating that you should replenish the fluid to ensure your braking system operates efficiently and safely. Number 3. Worn brake pads. As brake pads undergo wear over time, they reach a critical threshold where a small metal tab called a wear indicator begins to make contact with the brake rotor. This contact generates a distinct, high-pitched squealing sound that serves as an audible alert to the driver. In many modern vehicles equipped with electronic pad wear sensors, this friction can also trigger the brake warning light on the dashboard, signaling a need for immediate attention. Typically, brake pads are designed to last anywhere from 30,000 to 70,000 miles. Although this lifespan can vary significantly based on individual driving habits, the type of brake pads utilized, and the conditions under which you drive. If you notice the warning light illuminating and you haven't replaced your brake pads within this mileage range, it becomes crucial to assess the thickness of the pads promptly to ensure your safety and maintain optimal braking performance. 4. ABS system issue. Many modern vehicles come equipped with a specialized ABS warning light, designed to alert drivers to potential issues within the anti-lock braking system. However, in some models, any detected anomaly may instead trigger the primary brake warning light. This can signal a variety of underlying problems, such as a malfunctioning wheel speed sensor, a fault within the ABS module itself, or even issues related to the vehicle's wiring. While it's important to note that ABS malfunctions typically do not compromise your basic ability to stop the vehicle, they do deactivate the crucial anti-lock feature. This feature plays a vital role during sudden braking maneuvers, particularly on slippery surfaces where traction may be compromised. Without the ABS working properly, the wheels are at risk of locking up, which can result in dangerous skidding and a loss of vehicle control. Number 5. Master cylinder problems. The master cylinder is a pivotal component of your vehicle's hydraulic brake system, serving as the heart of the braking mechanism. When you press the brake pedal, it channels your applied force into hydraulic pressure, allowing the brakes to engage effectively. However, if the master cylinder begins to deteriorate or malfunction, it may illuminate the brake warning light on your dashboard, signaling an urgent issue. Symptoms of a failing master cylinder include a brake pedal that, when held down, gradually sinks towards the floor, indicating a loss of hydraulic pressure. Alternatively, you may experience a brake pedal that feels mushy or spongy, lacking the firm resistance you typically expect. These sensations can compromise your control over the vehicle. Additionally, you might spot brake fluid pooling or leaking from the rear of the master cylinder, which is conveniently situated directly in front of the driver, on the firewall beneath the hood. Such signs necessitate immediate attention to ensure your safety on the road. That brake light is there to protect you, so listen to what it's trying to tell you. We hope this guide helps you diagnose the issue calmly and safely. If this video was helpful, give it a big thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe to Fix and Cruise for more easy-to-follow car tips. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever had your brake light come on for a weird reason? Share your story in the comments below. Until next time, drive safe and keep on cruising.